Hey, it's Gina with WTI. What I've noticed about these glasses from Illumin are that they help me to see clearer when I'm driving in dark, cloudy, foggy, or even rainy or nighttime road conditions. These have a very light yellow tint to them, which is really helping me to see more clearly with more detail. It's a subtle difference, but what I've noticed is that it makes the lines on the road clearer and easier for me to see, especially when it's raining. And it just makes things more in detail so that I can see better. I really love the frames. They're lightweight. They don't feel heavy or constricting on my face, and they don't hurt the backs of my ears or my nose. This design is called Soul, and I think it's a really versatile design that can look well on many different face shapes or sizes. In fact, I think it looks really good on my husband, but I can also wear it, and I think it's very flattering on both of us. I keep these in my car. They come with a really nice cloth case, so it helps to keep them from getting scratched or bumped around. And it's really easy just to put them on and wear them whenever the conditions are such that I need them. I feel these have helped to improve my vision while I've been driving under those road conditions I mentioned earlier. I don't drive without them anymore, but that's just my point of view.